Hey guys, happy Vlogmas day. I think we're on day 6. I ended up deleting the Vlogmas videos that I was filming because YouTube will not let me upload Vlogmas day 4 and 3. For whatever reason, it keeps like not uploading the whole video. So I really don't know what's wrong with it. I've tried to save it like again and it won't do it. So I don't know what's wrong with that. But right now, I'm gonna keep trying. I'm gonna keep going. Right now, I'm trying to get my office space together. I'm working on this. I've been filming for TikTok because, oh yeah, I'm out of breath. I ran over here. I want to get my monitor set up for my work from home little situation. My monitors were sitting on the desk and that just felt a little too low for me, especially because when I'm in the office, I'm used to it being higher up. So I bought a little stand for that. I also bought a rug for the living room. So the living room. For my office, I did buy one for the living room, but that one's not here yet. So I'm about to go ahead and finish straightening up the rest of my office. My dad went because I needed spacers for my monitors. So my dad went to see if he could find some more. If he can't, we're probably going to have to run to the store to get the spacers that we need so I can hang up the other monitor. But I figured in the meantime, I would go ahead and clean the rest of the office so that I can lay down the rug and see if it fits. So I decided to pick up the camera so I could talk to y'all. So it's a lot. I gotta find somewhere to set y'all where y'all will stay still. You probably won't. Let me go find something. Oh, tripod. I have a tripod. I found my tripod. I found my little tripod. I have my big tripod, but I don't feel like putting y'all on there. I did find my little tripod. I ordered my birthday hair. That should be here, I think tomorrow actually. So at some point this weekend, I need to take out my hair that's in my hair, my quick weave. I gotta take that out at some point this weekend. I bought, I be buying a lot of stuff, y'all. I be buying a lot of stuff. So I think we got a lot of bags and gifts and wedding stuff. And some stuff I think just needs to like go in the trash, to be honest with you. But we'll see. For now, I think we'll hold on to it. Whew. I'm tired because I realized that I bought a new book. So this is a book that I bought, Profit First. I was on TikTok and somebody said that this was a good book to read for entrepreneurs. So I bought that book. So hopefully I can start reading that soon. Let me angle y'all a little better. So I'm out of breath. I had me some sparkling cider. It is so good. I love sparkling cider. Like, I'm literally obsessed with it now. I don't know why I became so obsessed with sparkling cider, but I literally am. So I think I'm about to grab me some more because why not? I'm technically on my lunch break from work. I do work both jobs today, but it is what it is. And it's snowing, y'all. It's snowing. I'm like, bruh, the snow. So this is a sparkling cider that I got. I picked this up at Sam's Club. They had a pack of 3 for like $8. I feel like sparkling cider just needs to stay in my house. Like, I love me some sparkling cider because sometimes I don't always want like wine or something like that, but some sparkling cider, she's gonna do it for me every single time. Cheers. And I be down in it like it's juice because it is, but like it'd be bad. I be going back and forth trying to pour this in this little class so that I can be bougie a little bit, and then I be down in it. Okay, so I'm out of breath. I'm about to keep working in here, and I think I'll montage the rest of me cleaning my space. My dad's gonna be back. When he comes back, I have to turn the camera off because he does not like to be on camera. So if it abruptly cuts off, that's why. So let's get into it.
ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me, baby girl. Let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking ass in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah. Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma ask you like Leslie. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-pad, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What are we? They like, what he on? This the Alpha and Omega, bitch, welcome home. This is not a song, this is a revelation, how to get a nigga gone. I need you a man, baby, I don't understand, baby. Pay your bill and make you feel protected like I can, baby. Teach you something if you need correction, that's the plan, baby. Don't put your life in these weird niggas' hands, baby. It's not enough. Few solid niggas left, but it's not enough. Few bitches that'll really step, but it's not enough. Say you bigger than myself, but it's not enough. I get on their ass, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I made them niggas mad, yeah, somebody gotta do it. I take the G-pad, yeah, watch a nigga do it. We survived outside, all from the music, nigga. What? Hey, turn this TV off. Ain't with my type activities, and don't you get...
All right, guys, so I think this is the setup we're gonna work with. I know it still looks kind of like messy, quote unquote. There's just, I have a lot of stuff, okay? I started an Etsy shop a little while ago, so I still have all the stuff for that. I have my books. I'm going back and forth on if I'm going to keep my Etsy shop or not, so that's why I haven't got rid of none of that stuff. But this is now my work from home type situation. I finally updated my calendar, y'all. For the longest, it said August. It finally says December. So now I have a cool, like an official work from home spot. I did order a new desk chair, so that should be coming soon. And then now I have this with my little rug underneath. I think, don't quote me, but I think I figured out what was wrong with my videos not uploading. I think I ran out of space on my external hard drive. So the external hard drive was not saving the full video, even though it said it was. So I deleted stuff, made some space. We're trying again, and now we're gonna see if the whole thing lets me upload the video. If it lets me upload the whole video. So if it does, I'm gonna post day 3 and 4 today, and then I'll probably post 5 and 6, which you're watching right now, which is 6, tomorrow. So I think that's what I'm gonna do, and so that way I can be caught up for day 7, and then we're back rolling. I'm praying that that allows me to do it that way. So my lunch break is pretty much over. Now I'm trying to wait out this video, but the whole house is in shambles now because I was cleaning the office. So I should keep going, because look at my bedroom. Look at my bedroom. Those are clean clothes. Those are dirty clothes. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know. I literally don't know. There's also more clean clothes here on the couch. I don't know. I don't know why it got like this. I don't know how it got like this, but all I know is it's like this. Like, that's all I know. So day by day, little by little, I really don't want to wash more clothes until I put away the clothes that are already right here. So, but I don't feel like doing it now. I want to take a nap before I have to go clock in to my other job. I work both jobs, and that's my struggle because I work 2 jobs. I be wanting to take a nap before I have to go to this other job. But thankfully, tomorrow I only work one of my jobs. So tomorrow morning, I think I'm just gonna thug it out and get the rest of this house together. I was gonna Uber and make some money, but I think I'm just gonna thug it out and get the rest of this house together because it needs to be. Point blank period. So, I'm trying to brush my hair out. I ordered my birthday hair. I told y'all that earlier. So I have to give my nails a break because I ripped off my press-on nails. They were hurting, and I ripped them off, but it ripped my nail, unfortunately for me. So yeah, it looks a hot mess, but I'm super happy. This area is clean. I might try to tidy it up just a teeny bit more. I did buy curtains and blinds for the living room, so when those come, we'll do that together. I think that comes on Saturday, so that'll be Vlogmas, I think day 8 that we will do that. So we'll see. So I'm out of breath. I gotta need to charge the battery so that way I can keep vlogging later. I'm about to go take a nap, or I might just, that might be a wrap for Vlogmas day 5 or 6, sorry, 6. Because honestly, I'm probably gonna nap and then go to work and then pick this up tomorrow. So yeah, I think we're gonna end Vlogmas day 6 here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We are slowly getting my life together and getting this house together. So yeah, I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.